Hey guys, Dubai Keys. Apparently, I'm on the Coinmarketcap official website, their blog, and there is this 40,000 Maiar Airdrop on Coinmarketcap. It was published yesterday, but there's still an hope for because they're giving it to about 2,000 Coinmarketcap users to win this airdrop. So the number of people they are giving out this airdrop to is kind of is large. So it says here that what is Maiar Airdrop? That Coinmarketcap is currently hosting an airdrop with Maiar powered by elrond. In this airdrop, there are 400 EGLD up for grabs and there are 2,000 winners. So they're giving about 0.20 EGLD to each participant or to each person that is able to complete the steps in this airdrop. So it says here how to participate. These are the details. So once you log into your CoinMarketCap, follow this step. So download the Maya app. HTTPS get Maya/campaign mandatory. Claim your hero tag in the Maya app. Here is how. There's a YouTube video there for how to get your Maya hero tag. Add around EGLD to your CoinMarketCap watch list. Follow Maya on Twitter. Follow them on Around on Twitter. Follow Benjamin Minku on Twitter. Then like and retweet. Tag 4 friends. Join my amplified Telegram. Okay, you need to join their Telegram group. Then you need to join their Facebook post. So fill out the CoinMarketCap airdrop form and join this. Click join this airdrop. Follow the steps. So result will be announced on the Maya account 7 days after the end airdrop campaign ends. So guys, this thing just started and the results will be announced, let's say 7 days from now. So that should be about on the 18th of July 2021. So it says your unique @hero tag is your wallet address where the EGLG prize will be sent. So make sure you register a hero tag in my app in order to be eligible for the prizes. So it's mandatory that you download the app and you register your Maya tag. So what is Maya is a digital crypto wallet and global payments app that allows you to exchange and securely store crypto on your mobile phone. So you can use Maya to send and receive crypto money near instantly to and fro anyone around the world using a phone number or a hero tag. So this is a blockchain improvement, guys. It's a blockchain improvement. So I'll be dropping the links to how for you to be able to access this website and all that. So hey guys, I think that's that for today. Hope to see you guys winning this airdrop. One love.